Nice. Here we got a really cool problem. It says, here's a little riddle for you. The supplement of an angle is 60 degrees more than 4 times the angle. Well, let's just draw a picture first. Whoa, probably got to get a pen there. Draw a little picture first. This is a straight line, correct? The degrees in a straight line are 180. Okay, so now I want to start backfilling. Whatever math I do, it has to equal 180. Now I have an angle that I don't know, and I have to multiply that angle by 4. So then I have 4 times A for my unknown angle. And then I need to add another 60 degrees to that. And when all said is done, the work on my left-hand side is going to equal the 180 degrees on my right-hand side. So let's start trying to get that A by itself. First thing I want to do is subtract 60. Minus 60 over here. This is inverse operations. It said plus 60, so I subtract it. So now I got 4A equals 120. And now I'm just a step away. On this side I have multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. So to solve this, I'm going to divide everything by 4. And I have A equals 120 divided by 4 is 30. A lot of you might have seen that 12 divided by 4 is a simpler variation of this problem. We need our label. 30 degrees is our answer. Watch this video again as many times as it takes to understand how to find supplementary angles.